Hey, good morning. I wanted to share with you this unboxing of an incredible package that I'm really excited about, and I think a lot of you will be excited about as well. They are a company that partners with farmers all across the United States. Everything is regeneratively raised. I could just read to you this little snippet they gave. So when you support Grassroots Farmer Co-op, that's what it's called. When you support them, you're supporting the small farmers, you're supporting regenerative farming, which we all know is really good for our planet. And so they send this right to your door. You don't have to worry about going shopping. You can have a subscription. I will have a link in the description that will give you 15% off your order. But yeah, by doing this, you are also helping the planet, you're helping the farmers, and you're getting good quality meats to your door. So I'm excited to open this up and see what meats we got. All right, here we go. It's always such a big box, so you think it's gonna be a lot, but they have to send everything cold with the dry ice. I think we're gonna have to find some kind of science experiment. Another dry ice. Here we go, here we go. I may not be carnivore anymore, but I still get excited about my meats. So let's see, they're packaged very nicely. So we've got some top sirloin and another top sirloin. I love my sirloin. They're the leaner cuts and I can add as much fat as I want on it. We've got, fajita meat, beef fajita meat. This is very exciting. Beef, salt, lemon, pepper, garlic, onion, spices. That's it. Clean stuff. Let's see. We've got lean ground beef. Everything is from the United States. We know that there are places that are selling meats that are coming from other countries. So that's the other hard part. If you just go to the grocery store, you don't know what that cow was eating. You don't know where it comes from. It could have been shipped over from Pakistan, India. A lot of them are coming from India now. But when you support Grassroots Farmers Co-op, you know that you're getting cattle that was pasture-raised, grass-fed, raised here in the United States, and again, supporting our own country. This one I'm very excited about. Flank steak. Oh, I love myself a good flank. Oh, one more. And another ground beef. So this is my package. You can order whatever you'd like. They are pretty flexible on it. They send you this wonderful form that explains to you what to do. One of the other things is that they believe in ethical, sustainable agriculture, and they have fair wages and no hormones, no antibiotics. Basically the cleanest of the clean is what it is. You can order subscriptions, so you can have a certain amount sent each month, whatever cuts you want. You can switch them up, change them up, all easy to do. And then when you refer some friends, you also get $30 off your next order, and your friend gets $30 off their order too. So if this is something you are interested in, make sure you click the link down below and get yourself your first box. One of the things I forgot to mention is that they also show where it comes from. So it says it's harvested in the United States, but you know it's coming from Falling Sky Farm in Leslie, Arkansas. This one comes from Nash Cattle Ranch in Arkansas. Another one, and another Nash Cattle Ranch. So that's so cool that you can actually trace it all the way back to exactly which ranch it's coming from. So we are going to cook their beef flank steak today. This is a really easy, actually my husband's cooking it. Well, this is a really easy one to cook. So what do you do when you cook it? Like how long?
This will probably be 3 minutes per side, maybe 4.
So really quick, easy
Very
one.
hot.
And are you doing it on cast iron, Blackstone? What are you doing?
Blackstone.
Okay, perfect. So stay tuned. Is that bacon grease?
Yeah. Alright. There you go. It's fast. 2 minutes aside. That one's broken. That knob is broken.
So as you can see, it is quite thin, so this one does not take very long to cook whatsoever. How do you know when it's time to flip it?
I guess experience. I want to give it a nice sear. And once 2 minutes per side, once it's seared, it's going to be good.
I've heard also that it's when it's like not sticking as much. I don't know if that's part of it. In case you're wondering, that's my husband's, not mine. What is it, liver?
Yes.
It doesn't smell as bad as it usually does. I'm telling you, it smells really good. I am very excited. If this is something you guys are interested in, you can click the link in my description. It'll give you a discount on your first order. What's awesome is that it also shows which farm it comes from. So I don't remember which farm because it was on the package. Are you doing the edges there? What's...
No, this piece is a little fatter,
Oh,
a
okay.
little thicker, so. Yep.
Oh, that is perfect. I need to be the taste tester. Very good. Bravo, hubby.
Thank you. Yay.